Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss. Hello, my friend. On this occasion, I will present my material about railway track component. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ferdinand Pramudia Sunarto. I am from the Railroad Building Technology Study Program, and my number of cadet 2110441. And the next, I will explain the my first material. As we see in here, I have five material, three in here and three in the next page. My first material is the slipper. What is slipper? Slipper or bearing is a supporting tool for rail support in the form of a box and usually made of wood or concrete. These slippers are perpendicular to the rail bearing and transfer the load to the ballast track and subgrade. The slippers themselves have a function, namely to hold the rail upright and keep the distance on the gauge. And the next is ballast. What is ballast? Ballast is a term for many stones around the railroad track that have the same average size and shape, with, which is has a fairly wide surface, has a flat end, and is spread under the railroad track. A good ballast material comes from rock that is angled, broken, of and heart of the same grade, free from dust and dirt, and not flat or prone. However, in the reality, the grain classification above is difficult to obtain or maintain. Therefore, the problem of selection ballast material that are economical and technical feasible is still getting attention in in studies and research. I have two material in here ballast, the first ballast, and this is the second ballast. In the second ballast, it contain a function of the ballast. The first is continuing and spreading the bearing load to subgrade, and the second fix the bearing position, and the third straighten the water so that, that there is no puddle of water around the rail bearing, and the fourth to guard against vegetation that might interfere with the track structure, and the last reply as well as holding the rail in the place when train pass over it and absorb the noise from the passing train. And the next material is about a rail fastening system. What is rail fastening system? Rail fastening system is a group of railroad fastener used to fasten steel rail to railroad sleeper. Rail fastening saw the first rail fastening saw the first hold rail securely in the rail seat, and the second limit the rotation of the rail about the outer edges of the rail foot. The third minimize longitudinal movement of rail through grip and the thermal force. And the fourth assist the retention of track out. And the last not cause damage to the rail. And the next, the second material, there is first plate and subgrades. The first I want explain what is juggler fish plate. Juggler fish plate is used to connect to different rail without leaving some gaps in the rail joints so that when exposed to heat it does not bend easily. There are four bolts on the fish plate holding the track together. There are several types of this fish plate, one of which is the junglet fish plate. This is especially designed faceplate with a convex or bend shape in the middle or to, to accommodate to accommodate weld collar or groove in new welded new weld joint to protect detective weld joint and to carry out emergency repair of weld failures. And the next is subgrades. What is subgrade? Subgrade is the base layer on the railroad structure that must be built first. The main function of the subgrade is to provide a stable foundation for the ballast and subballast layer. The behavior of the subgrade is a very important structure component which has a significant role in the relation to the technical properties and maintenance of the railroad. And there is my material, and the last is conclusion about my presentation this occasion. Okay, in this conclusion, the railroad track component consists of many components, some of which are the one is sleeper, and the second is ballast, and the third rail fastening system, the fourth juggler fish plate, and the five subgrades. It is necessary component in the construction of railroad. Okay, that is from me. Thank you so much for the attention. I'm sorry if I have some wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.